Introducing the JIGOO Bed Vacuum Cleaner, a cutting-edge solution designed to revolutionize your home cleaning routine. With its powerful 500-watt motor and innovative features, such as a smart dust sensor and advanced HEPA filtration, this vacuum cleaner offers unparalleled efficiency in removing dust, allergens, and pet hair from mattresses, pillows, and other fabric surfaces. Its user-friendly design, including a 5-meter-long power cable and ergonomic handle, ensures effortless maneuverability and ease of use. Say goodbye to dust and welcome to a fresher, healthier living environment with this vacuum cleaner. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Efficient cleaning performance. This vacuum cleaner impresses with its efficient cleaning capabilities. Powered by a robust 500-watt motor, it delivers a suction power of 13 kilopascals, coupled with a main brush speed of 12,000 RPM. This combination ensures a thorough removal of dust, debris, and pet hair from mattresses, pillows, and other fabric surfaces, promising a fresh and clean environment. Number 2. Smart Dust Sensor. One of the standout features of this vacuum cleaner is its smart dust sensor. This intelligent recognition system provides real-time feedback on the cleanliness of the mattress, indicated by different colors of LED lights on the display screen. With red indicating a dirty surface and green signifying cleanliness, users can easily monitor the cleaning progress and achieve optimal results. Number 3. Anti-allergen Technology. Equipped with a 254 nanometer UV light and ultrasonic technology, this vacuum cleaner offers a 99% anti-allergen solution. Eliminating various allergens and harmful particles invisible to the naked eye contributes to maintaining a hygienic environment and safeguarding the health of your family members. Number 4. Advanced HEPA Filtration. The inclusion of advanced HEPA filtration technology further enhances the cleaning efficiency of this vacuum cleaner. With its ability to filter 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 micrometers, it ensures clean air output while effectively trapping dust and hair. The washable and reusable filter adds to its convenience and cost-effectiveness. Number 5. User-friendly design. Designed for ease of use, this vacuum cleaner features a 5-meter-long power cable for hassle-free maneuverability during cleaning sessions. Its ergonomic handle reduces fatigue, while the 0.5-liter jewel cup design and wide suction port streamline the cleaning process. From couches to blankets, it is suitable for various flat fabric surfaces. Number 6. Warranty and customer support. Backed by a 12-month hassle-free warranty, customers can rely on the brand's commitment to product quality and satisfaction. In case of any issues, prompt assistance is available, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 12.79 inches length by 10.74 inches width by 7.48 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The JIGOO Bed Vacuum Cleaner sets a new standard in home cleaning technology. Its exceptional performance, smart features, and user-friendly design make it an indispensable tool for maintaining cleanliness and promoting a healthier living environment. With its powerful suction, advanced filtration system, and reliable warranty, it offers peace of mind and superior results with every use. Whether tackling dust, allergens, or pet hair, this vacuum cleaner delivers exceptional performance and convenience. Upgrade your cleaning routine with this vacuum cleaner and experience the difference it makes in your home. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.